How to fix Snapchat lag in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart your phone. Now swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on restart button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear app cache. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Search Snapchat. Click on Snapchat. Scroll down. Click on storage. Here you will see clear cache option. Now click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Snapchat will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings. Scroll down. Click on software update. Click on download and install. Here you will see update or install option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, free app storage. Again open settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Search Snapchat. Click on Snapchat. Scroll down. Click on storage. Here you will see clear cache or clear data option. Now click on clear cache. Then click on clear data. After click on clear cache or clear data, your Snapchat will be clear cache or clear data from your phone. Now go back. Click on device care. Click on storage. Here you will see trash unused app. Click on trash. Here you will see my files, gallery, contacts, Samsung Notes, voice recorder. Select that you want to delete files or video for free app storage. Then click on my files. Here you will see files, video, photos. Select video, photos or file that you want to for free app space. After selecting, click on delete. After click on delete, selected files or video or apps will be deleted from your phone. Now go back. After that, reinstall Snapchat. Open Play Store. Search Snapchat. Click on Snapchat. Here you will see uninstall option. Now click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. Now Snapchat uninstall from your phone. Now click on uninstall. After click on install, your Snapchat reinstall from your phone. This is how you can fix Snapchat lag in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.